Dear learner, let's explore concise examples illustrating tips for engaging the audience during an on-stage routine. Example 1. Ask thought-provoking questions. Ever imagined a world where sustainability is the norm? Who here has triumphed against overwhelming odds? Example 2. Use rhetorical devices. Like a seed grows into a tree, our dreams shape our destiny. It's not what the world can do for us, but what we can do for it. Example 3. Interactive elements. Quick poll. Does technology revolutionize communication? Turn to a neighbor. How can you promote sustainability daily? Example 4. Connect emotionally. I recall the impact of climate change in my hometown. In moments of doubt, we discover our resilience. Example 5. Create moments of impact. In an instant, everything changed, a moment of collective realization. Let's pledge to be changemakers, hope-bearers, and planet guardians. These examples illustrate how engaging questions, rhetorical devices, interactivity, emotional connections, and impactful moments can captivate an audience during an on-stage routine, leaving a lasting impression.